We're here in Stanton, California today at FT3 Tactical, who's been nice enough to let us use their range to test our Riot Glass AG series all glass doors. Today we've got our lightest series, which is our AG 50. It's a lightweight, easy to retrofit system. It can go into any storefront, any building, indoor or outdoor. We're going to put several rounds into this and also smash it up and make sure that it's going to work as intended. Here. Come on in. Impact points. Impact points. No penetration. Get in real close. No penetration. It's 9mm. Got a few rounds lodged in there. This is a 9mm here, 9mm here. So we've got four in that door. We've got 1, 2, 3 in this door. Let's check the other side. No penetration. Man, he's okay. Okay. I think this was a great test. We learned a lot about our door system here, primarily that it does stop rounds and it can take a lot of abuse and still function just like a normal door. And that is the AG series from Riot Glass.